Welcome to Better English for You.
The new starter.
Can you onboard the new starter today?
Yes. What's their name?
Omar. First day.
Can I use the same approach you used with me?
Word for word if you like.
Welcome to Citibank, Omar. How do you feel?
Exactly what I said to you.
He says nervous and excited, same as me.
Can you remember what helped you most on day one?
Knowing I could ask questions without judgment.
Tell him that.
You can ask me anything, anytime. No question is too small here.
She's already better at this than I was.
The most important thing about banking is trust. Everything else we can teach.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
Because you said it to me first.
How does it feel? Being on this side?
Strange, but right.
That's how it should feel.
I remember how lost I felt. I want to make sure he doesn't.
And that is exactly why you're going to be exceptional at whatever comes next.
Managing stress at work.
Can I be honest with you about something?
Always.
This week felt heavy. The fraud cases and the complex complaints.
That's a real feeling. Can you tell me more?
I worry about the customers I can't help.
Can you name one?
The elderly gentleman who already lost money before he came to us.
You reported it, flagged the account, and connected him to support services.
But I couldn't get his money back.
Sometimes we can't. Can you separate what's in your control?
I'm working on that.
It takes time. Have you talked to anyone outside work?
My sister, she helps.
Good. Can you also use the employee well-being service?
I didn't know we had one.
Free counseling sessions. Confidential. Can I send you the link?
Yes, please.
The weight of caring about your work is normal. It's also a sign you're good at it.
Does it ever get easier?
You get better at carrying it, and you build better tools.
Thank you for not saying just leave it at the door.
That advice never helped anyone.
What banking really is.
Can I tell you what I've realized this year?
I've been waiting to hear it.
People don't come to a bank for money. They come because they're afraid.
Go on.
Afraid they can't afford something. Afraid they'll lose what they have.
Yes.
Our job is to replace that fear with clarity.
That's the whole job, in one sentence.
Can we always hold on to that?
Some days the system makes it hard.
I know, but we can choose how we show up within it.
Yes, we can always choose that.
That old woman who cried when she finally understood her pension options?
I remember.
Nobody told her before. She was embarrassed to ask.
And then you explained it in 10 minutes.
In plain English, it's not complicated.
Most things aren't. We just make them sound that way.
Can we always translate?
That's your gift, and now it's your mission.
Then I know exactly why I'm here.
I knew that from your first day.
The pension conversation.
Can you handle a pension inquiry today?
Yes. What does the customer need?
They want to understand their pension statement. Very confused.
Can I see the statement first?
They have it with them.
Good afternoon. Can I help you understand your pension today?
She starts with warmth and clarity.
The statement shows their projected retirement income. Can I explain each section?
Take your time. Don't rush.
This number shows what they currently have saved.
Good. Simple language first.
And this projection shows what they might have at 67 if contributions stay the same.
Did you explain the assumptions?
Yes, I said it assumes 3% annual growth, which can change.
Can the customer increase their contributions?
I told them to speak to their employer and booked an advisor appointment.
Perfect boundary. Inform and refer.
The customer left saying nobody had ever explained it that clearly.
That comment stays with you.
It already has.
Bank fees explained.
Daniel, a customer says they don't understand why they're being charged.
Can you investigate and explain?
Yes. Can I pull up their account?
With their ID verified, yes.
There are 3 charges. Can I explain each one?
Always itemize. Never give a total without explanation.
The first is a monthly account fee. The second is an overdraft charge.
Can the customer switch to a fee-free account?
Yes, if they keep a minimum balance of £500.
What about the overdraft?
It was used for 3 days. I can show them the exact dates.
Can you set up an overdraft alert to prevent future charges?
Yes, I'll set it at £100 as a warning.
Did the customer understand?
Yes, and they want to switch to the minimum balance account.
Can you process that switch today?
Yes, done. They save £9 a month.
Small saving, big difference in trust.
They said thank you 3 times.
Count those.
The investment conversation.
Daniel, a customer is asking about investing £50,000.
Can you handle the initial conversation?
Yes, but I want to get the boundaries right.
What can you do and not do?
I can explain general investment products. I cannot give personal investment advice.
Correct. What do you say first?
I explain that for this amount, we recommend speaking with our financial advisor.
Can you book that appointment?
Yes, I can book it immediately.
What general information can you share?
That's of accounts available. ISAs, investment accounts, and their tax status.
Can you explain what an ISA is?
Individual savings account. Profits and interest are tax-free up to the annual allowance.
Good. And the annual allowance this tax year?
£20,000.
Can this customer put their full amount in one ISA?
No, only $20,000 this tax year. The rest needs another vehicle.
That's exactly the kind of information you can share.
I also told them that investments can go down as well as up.
That's required. Well done.
I want them to go into the advisor meeting well informed.
That's what customer service in banking truly is.
Insurance products.
Can I introduce our insurance products today?
Yes. We sell insurance too?
Some banks do. We offer life cover, home insurance, and travel insurance.
Can I sell these at my desk?
You can discuss and refer. Selling needs a separate qualification.
What's the qualification?
A basic insurance products certificate. Can you take it next quarter?
Yes, I want to.
Good. For now, can you explain what life cover does?
It pays a lump sum to the family if the policyholder dies.
And who typically needs it?
People with dependents or a mortgage.
Correct. Can you identify when to suggest it?
When a customer takes out a mortgage or starts a family.
Yes, those are natural moments. What about travel insurance?
Covers medical emergencies, cancellations, and lost luggage abroad.
Can our FlexPlus account holders use the included travel insurance?
Yes, it's one of the benefits of that account.
Good. Always mention included benefits when customers don't know.
I had a customer last week who didn't know their account included travel cover.
Did you tell them?
Immediately.
The early retirement question.
Daniel, a customer wants to retire at 55. Can I help them?
You can explore the question and then refer.
What can I find out for them?
When they can access their pension and what savings they have.
Can they access a workplace pension at 55?
Currently, yes, but it changes to 57 in 2028.
I didn't know that. Can I tell the customer?
Yes, that's factual information.
What's the difference between a state pension and a private pension?
State pension comes from national insurance contributions. Private is what you save.
Can they take both at the same time?
Yes, but state pension starts at 67. Private can come earlier.
So there's a gap between 55 and 67 to fill.
Exactly. That's why financial planning matters so much.
Can I book them with our financial planner?
Yes, this is exactly the right referral.
I gave them the key information and they feel more informed.
That's the service.
I want to be the financial planner one day.
I know you do.
Zakat and Islamic banking.
Daniel, a customer is asking about Sharia-compliant banking options.
Good question. Can you tell me what you know?
Islamic finance avoids interest because it's prohibited in Islam.
Correct. How does a bank make money without charging interest?
Through profit sharing or fixed fees instead.
Do we offer Islamic accounts?
I'm not sure. Can you tell me?
We have a basic account with no interest charged or paid.
And for savings?
We can refer them to our Islamic Savings Partner Bank.
Can I take the referral details?
Yes, they're in the product directory under Ethical Banking.
Can I ask the customer if they also want information about our ethical investment options?
Yes, some customers combine Islamic and ethical investing.
I want to learn more about this. Can I do extra reading?
There's a module in the Learning Portal on inclusive banking.
I'll complete it this week.
The customer seemed comfortable with you.
I listened first before I said anything.
That's always the right approach.
Daniel's big announcement.
Can I share some news with you?
Your face tells me it's significant.
I've been appointed Regional Banking Manager.
Daniel, that's huge. Congratulations.
Thank you. It means I leave this branch.
I know.
Can I tell you something?
Of course.
Part of what earned me this is the work I did developing you.
That can't be right.
The branch manager cited your fraud prevention as evidence of my leadership.
Then I helped you get promoted.
Yes, and you didn't even know.
When do you leave?
4 weeks.
Can we make them count?
That's exactly what I want.
Is it strange to hand over what you've built here?
Yes, but I'm leaving it in capable hands.
Mine?
The branch manager has already noted you as deputy team lead.
Already?
I may have mentioned it once or twice.
The handover.
Can we go through the handover today?
Yes, I've already made a list of questions.
Of course you have.
The Monday briefing, who leads it after you?
The new senior colleague. But you can contribute actively.
Can I run it sometimes?
Yes, I'll recommend it in my notes.
The digital workshop, can it continue?
It's now official bank policy. You created something that lasts.
That feels good.
It should. What else?
The relationship with the mortgage advisor, how do I maintain it?
Weekly check-in. They know you already. They like you.
Can I shadow them once a month?
I've already arranged it.
You've been preparing this for weeks.
Since your 6-month review,
You planned my future before I did.
I just cleared the path. You were always going to walk it.
Can I call you after you leave?
Anytime.
Daniel's last day.
The team made a card. Can I give it to you now?
Yes, although reading it here might be embarrassing.
Read it later, but know that every word is meant.
Can I say something to you before the day gets busy?
Please.
You came in here not knowing what an AER was.
A year and a half ago.
Now you prevent fraud, run workshops, and train new starters.
You taught me all of that.
I gave you the information. You made it meaningful.
Can I ask something?
Always.
Are you proud of what you built here?
Of the team, of the culture, and of you most of all.
Don't make me cry at the teller counter.
Citibank has never seen anything from you except professionalism.
Not quite true, but I try.
What's next for you?
The development program, then the advisor qualification.
And then,
Whatever comes next.
whatever it is, you're ready.
Layla leads.
Good morning, everyone. Daniel always started with the key number for the day.
I can hear her from my new office. She sounds exactly right.
Today we have 42 appointments and an expected high walk-in volume.
She leads with data. Good.
Can I ask everyone to prioritize appointment clients and manage waiting times clearly?
Asks rather than orders. She learned that.
If anyone needs support on a complex case today, I'm available.
She offers herself as a resource. Leadership.
One more thing. A new colleague joins us Monday. Can everyone make them feel welcome?
She thinks about culture, not just operations.
That's all from me. Let's have a great Friday.
She says let's, not you. Inclusive.
Daniel, are you actually watching via the branch camera?
I called the branch landline. Your colleague put me on speaker.
That is not normal behavior.
Can you blame me?
No. How did I do?
Better than I did on my first briefing.
Financial well-being.
Daniel, can I run a community financial well-being program?
Tell me the idea.
Monthly free sessions for local residents on budgeting, saving, and scam awareness.
Can the bank support it officially?
I've already spoken to the branch manager. She loves it.
You went to the manager before me.
You taught me to act with confidence.
Fair enough. What do you need?
The meeting room, printed materials, and a partner from the council.
Can you find the council contact?
Already emailed. They responded in 2 hours.
Who can attend the sessions?
anyone in the community, especially people who feel excluded from banking.
That's the most important group.
Many people avoid banks because they feel judged or confused.
Can you change that?
One session at a time.
That's a mission worth having.
It started with you teaching me not to use jargon.
And now you're teaching an entire community.
The day that tests everything.
System outage across the region. How are you managing?
Under control. Can I update you?
Please.
I told the team immediately and moved to manual processes.
Can you process transactions manually?
Basic ones, yes. I have the manual forms ready.
What did you tell waiting customers?
Honest update. System down. Working to resolve. Here's what we can still do.
Did any customers leave?
3. The rest stayed. I offered water and estimated wait times.
Can you estimate restoration time?
IT says 40 minutes. I told customers 1 hour. Better to over-deliver.
Smart.
Can I issue written confirmation of transactions for those who need urgency?
Yes, use the headed paper and sign as branch representative.
Already started.
Anything you need from me?
Nothing. I have it.
I know you do. I called to hear you say that.
System is back. 42 minutes.
Told you.
The thank you letter.
A letter came for you. Handwritten.
Who sends handwritten letters anymore?
People who really mean something.
It's from the elderly gentleman, the fraud victim.
Can you read it?
He says I was the first person who explained his account to him clearly in 30 years.
30 years.
He's 81. He banked with us since he was 50.
Can you imagine 30 years of confusion?
It breaks my heart.
And then you.
He says he tells everyone he knows about Citibank now.
That's the most powerful marketing there is.
He also says he signed up for the online banking workshop.
At 81?
He says he wants to check his account himself.
Independence. That's what you gave him.
Can I put this letter somewhere safe?
Keep it. For the days when this job feels hard.
I'll keep it always.
Planning for the future.
Can we do our monthly call today?
Yes. What's on your mind?
I want to map out the next 5 years properly.
Tell me year by year.
Year 1. Complete the development program and advisor qualification.
Can you do both simultaneously?
Yes, they overlap in some areas. I've checked.
Year 2.
Move into a financial advisor role within the bank.
Realistic. What about year 3?
Specialize in financial planning for underserved communities.
That's specific? Can you build a client base for that?
The community program is already the foundation.
Years 4 and 5?
Grow into a senior advisor role, then possibly branch management.
Can you see yourself as a branch manager?
Yes, one where banking genuinely serves the community around it.
That's not just a career goal. That's a vision.
Is it too ambitious?
Absolutely not. Can I support each step of it?
You already are.
What Layla knows now.
Can I ask you something on our call today?
Of course.
What does a year and a half in banking teach you about people?
That money is emotional, much more than people admit.
Say more.
People are ashamed when they can't save, afraid when they're in debt,
And proud when they achieve something financial?
enormously, even small things.
Can you give me an example?
A young woman who saved her first 500 pounds, she cried.
And you?
I pretended to check the system so she wouldn't see my face.
That's the humanity in this job.
Can I ask what you learned from banking?
That trust is the only real product we sell.
Yes, everything else is just the mechanism.
Can you carry that truth through your whole career?
It's already how I see every interaction.
Then you'll be remarkable.
I already feel it.
Good. That feeling is your compass.
Passing it forward.
Welcome to Citibank. How do you feel?
Same first words, every time.
She says, nervous and excited.
Of course she does.
That's exactly how I felt. Can I tell you what helped me most?
She's giving her own first day advice.
Someone told me every question I had was worth asking.
And you believed it?
Not at first, but I kept asking anyway.
What are you showing her first?
The branch layout and the team.
Exactly what I showed you.
Daniel is on this call. He started all of this.
Hello. You're in excellent hands.
He means it.
I always mean it.
Can I ask you one thing as we start?
What's your question for the new starter?
Why banking?
Good opening question.
She says she wants to help people with something that matters.
Then she's already in the right place.
The branch that belongs.
How does it feel standing outside the branch now?
Like it's mine, not just a place I work.
Can you explain that?
I know every customer who comes through the door. I know their stories.
And they know yours?
Some do. Mr. Davies asked about my family last week.
That's a community bank.
That's what this can be when people choose it.
Can I ask, did you expect this when you started?
I expected a job. I didn't expect to care this much.
The best careers do that.
Can I tell you something?
Always.
I think about the customers on my days off.
Is that healthy?
I think it's just caring, as long as I also switch off.
Can you?
Better than I used to. You helped me learn that too.
This job gave you more than a career.
Yes, it gave me a sense of what I'm for.
That's everything.
That's everything.